Hello everyone, it's Hanny again. I'm still busy with making the blending tool pads. I'll put a link in the video I made of that in that corner. But I discovered I had these finger dabbers too. Where are they? These ones. These finger dabbers. And the other day I worked with these dabbers and well, they got loose very easy. And well, I didn't like that. And now, while I was busy with the pads, I thought, well, I have more stuff. So what I found was this little rounds velcro. I'm not sure how it's called. I can't look it up now because I don't have a computer here. Well, the glitterband we call it. And well, it fits exactly. And this is the sticky side, the sticky one, on that dabber, like so. And if you don't have these rounds or these rounds, you can put these on that too and just cut the excess off. And you do the same with the little pads. This one, yeah, it's sticky. I recommend the sticky ones. Just put it on there and it works perfectly. It's just like so. You can put very pressure and it stays. See? It doesn't get loose. It's very firm. So, and then I thought, oh, I can replace the little pads if they are dirty or used up. And I had these circle die for these pads for the blending tool, but I have a little one too. It's a little bit too big, but when you cut it out you get, where do I have it? Such one. And I put the stuff on it, the glitterband, but I put this on it, this size, and cut the excess off. So you can do that too. And then you can replace it like so. It's not quite the same because this one, well, it's round and thick, and this one it's flat and it's not so thick. But it works perfect too. Like so. You see? So, I wanted to share that with you. I will cut one out for you so you can see that works too. Voila! There it is. It's a bit squeezed again, but that will pop up like so. And you put a little round on it, like so. And it fits perfectly. Put that one off. Come on. and that one on. You see? Just pop it up a bit, so that's it. So I will do the other ones too. So like so. Well, I wanted to share that with you. So I will put this on. So I will do these two, and I will make a few more pads of my own. So that's it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment with your question, and I will try to answer the question. If I do understand the question, I will try to answer it. Okay, thank you. Bye.